AirGreen is pleased to announce that it has won the 2024 AHR Innovation Award in the category of refrigeration for the novel AirGreen BMIL brine-based dedicated outdoor air system, DOAS, according to ICC and ASHRAE code. For this prestigious award, the International Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Exposition received hundreds of applications for breakthrough designs, and winners in each category were selected by a panel of third-party judges made up of distinguished ASHRAE members.
This innovative product, the AG1000 from AirGreen, takes the risk and effort off of the design engineer's back. It's a packaged unit with factory manufacturing and quality control, predetermined performance at a very reasonable price. The AG1000 is the only machine that creates air temperatures in the 30s without defrost cycles, with lower power consumption, fewer pieces of equipment, and lower cost than previous system designs.
The application for the AG1000 is extensive. It can be used anywhere from pharmaceutical to healthcare, manufacturing, food processing, hazardous material storage. Any application that has low dew point requirements with ventilation, this is a perfect machine.
The AG1000 is a true dedicated outdoor air system for cold rooms, a packaged heat pump, make-up air, and dehumidifier with HEPA filtration. Ventilation air can be delivered directly to 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Fahrenheit cold rooms with 5 degrees Celsius, 9 degrees Fahrenheit dew point temperature suppression. No defrost cycles are needed, no additional equipment is needed, and it uses no natural gas or propane. The refrigerated air has a single path for simple operation at a lower cost while consuming up to 50% less power than other methods.
We at AirGreen are honored to have received ASHRAE's highest award for innovation. The combination of BMIL's refrigeration technology with AirGreen's unique approach to dehumidification and cooling has resulted in the DOAS cold room heat pump technology that is behind me. I'm just really grateful for the contributions and teamwork among the AirGreen group and also the BMIL guys. It's been fun to see this go from vision to design to a completely engineered DOAS product.
This is AirGreen's second year in a row to receive recognition from the AHR Innovation Awards. In 2023, the company was selected as a finalist in the category of indoor air quality for its liquid desiccant-based air conditioning technology. Contact BMIL today and learn more at bmil.com.